Hello students, good morning all of you. Welcome to today's class. The last class we were learning about pronouns and types of pronouns, and we already discussed and learned the first four types of pronouns, and the fifth type of pronoun is relative pronouns. Now, what is the relative pronouns? A relative pronoun is one which is used to refer to nouns mentioned previously, whichever they are people, places, things, animals, or ideas. And also, relative pronouns can be used to join two sentences. For example, who, whom, that, which, whoever, whomever, whichever. Now let us see some of these sentences. This is the place where we met. You can choose one person, whomever you like. He who hesitates is lost. Here, in all these three sets of sentences, the relative pronouns are used like where, whomever, and who, because these relative pronouns are joining two sentences. The next type of pronoun is demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrate means show. It indicates the object that we try to describe or to tell the specific distance, whether it is near or far away of the object. For example, near and far. Now, if the object is singular, we use this, and if the object is plural, we use these. Suppose the object is far away from us, then we use that for singular and we use those for plural. Let us see these sentences. This is my book. These are my books. That is your book and those are your books. Here, this and these shows the nearby objects, and that and those are showing the faraway objects. Now let us see the next type of pronouns, interrogative pronoun. These pronouns are used for asking questions like using what, who, which, whose, whom, etc. Now let us see some of the questions with these pronouns. Who is there? What do you want? Which are your books? Whom did you see? Here, who, what, which, whom. These pronouns are used to ask questions. Now the next type of pronoun is possessive pronoun. The pronoun which shows the possession or ownership is called possessive pronoun. For example, mine, mine, hers, yours, ours, etc. Let's look at these sentences. Is this pen yours? Is this Seema's book? Yes, it is hers. Here, yours and hers shows the possessive pronouns, to whom the pen and the book belongs. So, now we have learned all the 8 parts of types of pronouns. So, it is easy for you to solve the exercises in your book. I just want you to learn the definitions of each type of pronouns with at least 2 examples. So we will meet you in the next class with a new lesson. Thank you.